Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord messages failed to load issue. Many users see failed to load messages in servers or DMs, and it usually happens because of network issues, corrupted cache, or app glitches. First, check your internet connection. Discord needs a stable connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can block messages from loading. Step 1, restart Discord completely. Close it from the system tray, not just the window. This often fixes temporary glitches. Step 2, clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache can prevent messages from loading. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, open the Discord folder, and delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. Step 3, try a different network. Some networks may block Discord ports. Switching to mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi can help. Step 4, disable VPN or proxy. VPNs sometimes interfere with message loading. Turn it off and reconnect. Step 5, check server or DM permissions. Restricted roles may hide channels or messages. Confirm with the server admin if needed. Step 6, update Discord. Outdated apps can have bugs that block messages. Always use the latest version. Finally, contact Discord support if the issue persists. Provide your username, server, and steps tried. Support can troubleshoot deeper account or server issues. So yeah, fixing Discord messages failed to load is about checking internet, restarting Discord, clearing cache, switching networks, disabling VPN, checking permissions, updating, and contacting support. Follow these steps and messages should load normally. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.